Hi, I'm Everlin, a brand designer and a Canva creator, and I'm super excited to welcome you to my YouTube channel. If you want to elevate your design skills and create beautiful and professional designs and learn how to do it using Canva, then you are in the right place. I've been working in brand design for 5 years, and I'm passionate about helping entrepreneurs, content creators, and designers to bring their ideas to life using Canva. I started this channel because many of my followers on other platforms, they kept asking me for more in-depth tutorials so that they could learn better and they could feel more confident while designing. I wanted a space in which I could go into more detail, in which I could break things down step by step and truly help you master Canva and design at your own pace. Every week, I'll be sharing practical tutorials, creative inspiration, and the latest Canva updates to make design easier and more fun to you. From branding essentials to step-by-step Canva walkthroughs, I'll guide you through everything you need to create the designs that you like. So if you're ready to take your designs to the next level, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. And before you go, drop a comment below and let me know what's your biggest challenge when it comes to design. See you in the next video.